Annually, Melo Britain, Mogoto, I park me Queen Elizabeth National Park, and in it, Chok no could be do a chill and get copat, or better don't Lutel and you do my peri me Uganda can hear Uganda police with your unique duaction Lyel pa annually aryo erone work a year ilo mamegi enila newt my bear cadibana dori combetini enanga frag matila lock pa ability ka wachani uter karma duang pian teje mugo coordination mugo mamirki nan ki team malo peke check me Uganda ka dwak non ki dwak jomaguto enen ki gumarach tutwale ena kumbeti we pona ni chala dit lo chwa lok ene kumane ADF ma nyingu wenye ilok kom to pa jo eni ki tiyo ma ki dak bana ki chile gi
abunyu loka present e kom loka arranyi mutime eni ento amero wachini police onyo bilimo megwa belka kwet benago kwet o akibot abilimo megwa o chiaro kikilo forensic experts ki lobo UK gen benago bienogo karo chingi iye kumbeti mo logoni no don ki waji ki clearing ni kom don kiramo yopone mabe kiramo katne docchen kama gen ko aiye ento impact pagini ema joario ikane ota enta mero wachini the whole tourism industry is grappling we run a safari camp
one
brother now enta mero wachini at the moment for the last 1-2 months we don't have a single booking now in a month no waromo no bookings maromo a beach or nyoabichel and kino booking a beach nyoabichel you are nearly talking about 30-40 million shillings for a group of 1 or 2 or 3 people. Ento kachiane pe piduario itiki lutich itiki safari camp itiki lodges itiki accommodation mano lutich tika bera ki pe ka teach itamika one more atitiri en watiki facility matiki rooms and we have about 10 bandas watiki lutija bero mapat ki an ki kazina mano wana bungwen dana pa kicker wa kaskari they are idle for 2 months chiane chulo kini
and time this was the mission pa adui magutem aranye erane ni wabal yinglo me Uganda where the repercussion could be intense and even far beyond nermon neka ene pian kumbeti ba dan ma pat parati dana chan dan mati biya chara ma chalo won kumbeti annually me igena lutij magiti tiji game park kuja bana and as a whole Uganda nying ma megwa kari watch ki dan pian na ni cha lutiji gena in Queen Elizabeth National Park game rangers which were lock ne down bien ka visiting kitika teach ki drones kitika chalo surveillance security tie UPDF marine kwe wen kitika teach so Queen Elizabeth National Park is safe but any foot pegan luore between tourists
no kiti waje kwene ema genma tia yeni eneno ginutime i Queen Elizabeth ento ngat mate wa kuja pingeyo Queen Elizabeth enengo pingeyo kidepo ene genango pingeni Maction Falls ene genango they generalize things genachiel Uganda full stop pigenero kama yete wachini Maction Falls northern Uganda is safe we are taking is far watch it is about Uganda being insecure competitive business momati tung kama Queen Elizabeth here the whole cluster of tourism is affected now domestic tourism bana level mamega is very low Dana mati Uganda magichero kaneno kabermia lima gidna
and you know part domestic tourism had really picked up
it had picked
kiki Uganda ngo
tourism board
enone ngo Kenya inana Uganda nzuguti CP Falls Uganda stikwe na Uganda stikwe domestic tourism had picked up
now it had picked but it has also dropped why because when you intermix cultural exchange programs, KCRA Park, Muni Benetie, Won Benotie, and then somebody says, hey, which country are you from? I am from Belgium. Oh, what's good in Belgium? These kind of moments, okay, I think I need to be here. Now, oh, you've just been to Maction Falls. Do you know you can go to Pakwach and you eat on a nang, and somebody is asking on a nang, but please take a moment, Michiaro Kono. There are these small conversations. Makonyo ilo jim mogo mekar wako. Enta mero wachi ema. Ka wan matika luoro chero. Onyo wan matika log matek ni dano bin. Dano nena cha matika bira mikelo ge peko. couple eni maki nego ni go bini honeymoon inyo modago ni imiero chako kuoma be imiero chako oti ibini pe kila tien ngoti mere kumano pum ngar mono nego wo